Could YouTube really add $1,000 a month to retirement after 60? A 63-year-old retiree shared what YouTube paid her, and that video passed 300,000 views. A retired attorney built a senior tech channel later described as a $100,000 a year business. But most creators make almost nothing, and YouTube just changed monetization for 2027. In 2 minutes, I'll show you why $1,000 a month can change Raj's retirement math more than you think. First, solo retired life. At 63, she shared her first months of YouTube earnings. No celebrity, no giant studio. That video has more than 300,000 views, so being over 60 is not the problem. Earning consistently is. Then there's Rich Bolin, a retired attorney whose 90-year-old mother struggled with an iPad. He made simple tutorials to help her. His channel passed 200,000 subscribers, and a 2026 creator interview described roughly $100,000 a year from the business. Possible? Yes. Typical? No. Creator IQ surveyed more than 5,000 creators in 2026. 67% earned under $10,000 a year. For 62%, content was not their main income. That is actually useful for retirees. Raj does not need YouTube to replace a career. He needs it to reduce how much his portfolio must provide. And the rules are changing. Today, full YouTube ad revenue generally requires 1,000 subscribers plus 4,000 qualified watch hours or 10 million qualified shorts views. Starting February 1st, 2027, 8,000 hours or 20 million shorts views. Same subscribers. Double the hurdle for new applicants. vidiq is highlighting the change too. The 500 subscriber fan funding tier remains, but full ad monetization gets harder. That does not mean rush out and become a YouTuber. It means if this is part of your retirement income idea, plan for a long runway. Meet Raj. Age 62. Portfolio, $800,000. Spending, $55,000 a year. Social Security comes later. He starts a gardening channel because he enjoys it. Month 1 income, $0. That is what his retirement plan assumes. Eventually, Raj earns $500 a month. That is $6,000 a year. His $55,000 lifestyle now needs only $49,000 from investments and other income. At 4%, $6,000 is the annual withdrawal from $150,000. Not equivalent wealth, but less pressure on the portfolio. Now, $1,000 a month, that is $12,000 a year. Raj now needs only $43,000 instead of $55,000 from other sources. And $12,000 is 4% of $300,000. Raj did not gain $300,000. His portfolio simply has $12,000 less work to do. That is the retirement payoff. Now imagine stocks fall 25%. Raj still has bills, but if YouTube covers $12,000, he may withdraw less while markets are down. That does not eliminate sequence risk. It gives him another lever when flexibility matters most. How many views make $1,000? There is no honest universal number. Revenue changes by topic, country, video length, advertiser demand, season, and shorts versus long form. 2 channels with the same views can earn very different amounts. Ads are only one source. Rich Bolin described income from ads, sponsorships, and Amazon affiliates. Others may use memberships, super thanks, or products. For retirees, a smaller trusted audience can matter more than millions of views. What could Raj talk about? Gardening, cooking, travel, technology, woodworking, pickleball, cars, or knowledge from a 30-year career? Raj may think he is starting from zero. He may actually have 30 years of material, but YouTube is not passive income. Raj still has to plan, record, edit, make thumbnails, and publish. Old videos may eventually keep earning, Building them takes work, so the better test is, would Raj still enjoy this if it paid $0 for a year? Suppose Raj eventually reaches $2,000 a month, that is $24,000 a year. His $55,000 lifestyle now needs only $31,000 from other sources. At 4%, $24,000 is the annual withdrawal from $600,000. Again, not $600,000 of wealth, but meaningful retirement cash flow. That is why small income can matter more after retirement. Raj may not need another $100,000 salary. Maybe he needs $500 a month to reduce withdrawals, $1,000 for travel, or $2,000 during a bad market. The goal is freedom, not another career. There are complications too. Creator income can be taxable. And if Raj claims Social Security before full retirement age, earned income can create another calculation. That leads to our next question. Retired at 62, made $30,000 on YouTube. What happens to Social Security? Would I put $1,000 of YouTube income into Raj's base retirement plan? No. His plan should work at $0, then $100, $500, or $1,000 becomes upside. Algorithms change, views change. Retirement freedom should never depend on going viral. So can someone over 60 really make $1,000 a month on YouTube? Yes. Real retirees prove it is possible. A few make far more. But current data says most make much less. So, possible, useful, not guaranteed. And that is why this belongs in a retirement plan, not a get-rich plan. Raj does not need fame. If something he enjoys eventually earns $12,000 a year, that is $12,000 his portfolio does not need to provide. A project, some income, maybe community, and more retirement freedom. It could also give Raj something many retirees miss, a reason to stay curious, a reason to keep learning, and a way to turn decades of experience into something useful for someone else. After 60, your experience may also have an audience. For real retirement scenarios, golden rules, and simple math, subscribe to Mostly Retirement. Educational content only, not financial advice.